Hello. What is up, guys? Welcome back. 25-26 season of EPL has just begun, or actually 25-26 season of all the football has just begun. So, कैसा लग रहा है? I mean, of course, it's always exciting when football comes back in life.
Yes.
So, just looking forward to a lot of interesting matches. Yesterday only, it was the opening fixture of Liverpool versus Bournemouth, and what a fixture it was. My God.
Great match. Lived up to those expectations which we had, every football fan had. And अगर हम बात करने जाए तो एक एक करके कवर करते सारी चीजें. Starting on with the first goal by Hugo Ekitike. What a great signing. First match performance was really good. उसका positioning, उसका attack, exceptional boss. मजा आ गया देख के. And Liverpool fans तो काफी खुशी हो गए because उनकी टीम जो भी signings करती है वो काफी spot on.
Yeah, I think Liverpool does really good signings, so that's one thing I need to give them. While that goal was very shady for me because it was just a deflection from the defender that actually helped him dribble past all of them. So क्या ही बोलेगा, but ठीक है, that was a good goal. Then Cody Gakpo came in and scored a genuinely great finish.
Yes.
And Liverpool was already 2-0 up. I thought, frick, it's going to be a Liverpool beating of Bournemouth.
Yeah, that's
but
what I was
then,
expecting.
fuck, Bournemouth came in.
Yes, and it was strange because अगर तुम देखो लिवरपूल किसी पे 2 गोल दाग दिए तो it's खत्म भाई. Then 4 या 5 तो मिनिमम होने ही वाला. But उन्होंने बोर्नमouth ने कम बैक किया एंड वो जो 2 गोल्स थे उनके स्ट्राइकर के ब्यूटीफुल भाई ब्यूटीफुल स्पेशली द सेकंड वन जिस तरह उसने वो ड्रिबल किया एंड वो स्कोर किया आहा वाओ.
So Semenyo was on fire for Bournemouth and honestly किसी ने expect नहीं किया था. But he came in. First goal was a good finish. Second goal was phenomenal. It was actually Liverpool who was attacking and counter पे उसने जो crazy finish किया that was insane. 2-2 and honestly as a neutral fan I was very happy. That was going so well. The game has gotten so interesting. But then Liverpool doing the Liverpool thing.
You all know.
They just came back like monsters. And I think in general Liverpool के सामने तुम पाक द बस करके अगर अपनी एरिया में बैठे रहोगे ना, you are gonna get punished. Because they are lethal everywhere.
Yeah, 100%. And you know what, Liverpool at times they challenge themselves because अगर गेम कुछ ज़्यादा easy होता तो they give them their opponents an opportunity. बस आओ थोड़ा स्कोर करो, then level up हो जाए तब जाके वो जाके 2 गोल मारता. एंड उन्होंने वही किया एज यूजुअल. किएसा टू द रेस्क्यू एंड लास्ट वन उनका प्रिंस उनका किंग Mo Salah.
That was insane. Mo Salah's goal again just showcases the level of player he is. Dribbling out from right side, आया proper bottom corner finish, insane game shot, done.
The best thing about that finish was उसने उसके weak foot से मारा था.
Yeah.
जो मैंने expect नहीं किया था गोल जाना, but यार क्या करे.
Bro is just crazy. And I think Liverpool, of course, being the champions, I think they showed why they are the champions. While it should have been an easy game, it seemed like a very competitive one. Bournemouth didn't make it very easy for Liverpool to do it. But they came in as champions and they got the result. So it's insane. It was damn fun, damn entertaining. Even tonight, there are a lot of matches. So you guys tell us who do you think is going to win it. Before we close, I just want to add on to the point that Liverpool में जितने भी बार जो भी score कर रहा था, everyone was putting the celebration tribute to Jota.
Yes.
So of course, every one of us are potentially with their family. Chelsea is doing their end for them. Liverpool is doing their end for their family.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.